Hey, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative, and today I am working on my mini envelope album. This is my album for 2018. I'm just basically documenting my crafts and just my creative life for that year. And I've done a few of these process videos. I have not been doing voiceovers for all of them, but this one was one of my favorites. All of the papers that I made these envelopes are from different Maggie Holmes collections. I found about I found a bunch of her stuff at Tuesday morning. So I just mixed all of her, not all of them, but a bunch of her different collections. I just using them on this, and I think this one is my favorite, that print with the peacock. I don't know if it's a peacock, but the print with the bird, because I don't know if I got the right bird, but I really wanted to use that one on this envelope. And I go back and forth for a minute because I wanted to get it just right without having to cut into the bird. So I was being very indecisive. I was trying to decide, should I make a pocket out of it or just glue it on top? Because for this album, all of my journaling will be tucked inside of the little envelopes. And just in case any of you didn't watch the intro video, I did an intro for this series where I show you what size papers I used to make these envelopes, the different papers, all of the embellishments I pulled. I kind of made like a little mini kit so I could work on this album as I go along. I didn't work on it all at one time, so I have a little mini kit put together. So, when I'm in the mood, I can just pull it out and work on it. And the reason I wanted to do this album, my craft life, or my crafts that I do, is kind of changing. So I wanted to document this process. I used to do Project Life every week. I tried to get into scrapbooking. I did my plan with me videos every week, and I guess I've kind of quit. Well, I haven't quit Project Life. I am just so behind on it, and I'm slowly losing interest in it. So I don't know, Project Life was kind of the glue for, my crafting. It kind of held everything together. So I don't know, since I'm not doing Project Life, I'm kind of all over the place. I'm getting into journaling. I'm thinking about doing the Hobonichi. So I just wanted to document my craft life from that time. And you saw I finally decided to make a pocket out of that card. I'm getting back to the layout because I was rambling, but I finally decided to make a pocket out of it. And then I got the idea that I could make kind of a double pocket, because I had to cut the paper at a weird angle so I wouldn't cut into the bird. So I got an idea to put another pocket for a tag in that top corner. So once I saw how the tag would fit, I got some glue and I kind of glued around the tag so it won't fall to the bottom. So I glued around it, and then I added a little piece of vellum just to hold, just to make a pocket within a pocket. And it'll also keep that little tiny tag kind of close to the top. And I wasn't quite sure if this was going to work. I don't know. I was just, how you have that, some papers. I feel like if I would not have pushed myself to use this piece of cardstock, I would have hoarded it forever. So I'm glad that this worked out, and I finally found a way to use it. Like, once I put the little pocket on, I'm adding more glue around the pocket. So when I put it down, I can put basically two tags. It made two pockets on the front of this envelope. And you see I put one in the side, and then one at the top. And the pictures that I'm using for this, I don't know, I guess it's not a layout. I was about to say layout, but I don't know. I guess this little mini, for this envelope, I guess I'll just call it this envelope. The pictures I'm using, one is of my planner, because during that time I was all about my planner. I was very productive, and it was just a good time for me for crafting. I was obsessed with my little happy planner. And then I also have a picture of my rascal card that will go in the inside. And basically the pictures won't really show. They'll be both tucked in the inside, and then on the back of them I will have some notes. So that is pretty much it for this. Oh, I'm going to decorate the other side. But I don't know, I kept the other side kind of simple. And also for this project, I haven't been doing many voiceovers. And I've just been hoping, you just watch and just enjoy the decoration process, because most of it I'm just decorating the envelopes. And I also don't remember all the details of the photos. Like I have notes, I'll go back later. But I hope you guys let me know if you enjoy a voiceover, or if you just enjoy, music and you watch me craft. So let me know, because I don't know, I still have a ways to go with this album, because I want to document the entire year, like basically all of my crafts that I did that year. So I have a ways to go, and lots of more process videos. So let me know if you prefer, just music, or if you want me to ramble. So I hope you enjoy this process video. And also, if you haven't already, check out the mini album series intro, where I give you all the details, the measurements, the papers I used, and like everything that I pulled from my stash. So I hope you have enjoyed this process, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.